Welcome to Techlipart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do Superscript on Microsoft PowerPoint. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your PowerPoint. After that, open any document. Now from here, if you want to do Superscript, just select your text. If I select this two and then click on Home tab, and here on the font option you can find the arrow icon. Just click here and that's it. After that, on the effects option you can see Superscript. Just select it and then click on OK, and that's it. You can also use a keyboard shortcut to do Superscript. At first you have to select the text, then you have to press Ctrl, Shift and plus from your keyboard. That's it. If I do it once again, you have to just select the text and then press Ctrl, Shift, plus, and it's done. And that is how you can do Superscript on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.